Hello everybody, on this beautiful day we got some white stuff out here. Beginning of December, get a little bit of white stuff. You can see our tracks in the snow. I'm gonna go get oil change in a couple of the trucks. We're just doing regular maintenance. I think we're on a third week of maintenance. I just went and got the oil change in this one. $335 for this truck to have the oil change, and I had the oil change in that one, $175. If you guys are ever wondering how much it costs to have oil changes in our province, because they put synthetic oil in the trucks, but still pretty expensive. We're gonna go do this one. We'll do this one, then we'll have the 450, the dump truck, be left to do. Like I said, we're just doing regular maintenance. I'll just bring you guys along, show you guys what we got going on. We did the oil change in the Kubota diesel motor. We got all this stuff off this truck. This truck's going for inspection next week. We're going to be changing the box on the old 150 over here, so we're going to take the box off of this one. This one's been rough shape, so we'll take the box off of this, take the rack off, everything. We got the truck out back. If you guys saw the other video, we're getting through our bulletin board. A lot of stuff to do though. All right, so what we're gonna do, we'll go get that done. I'll bring you guys along to show you guys a bit what we got going on. All right, let's go. Nice day out, just a little cold though. I think it's -3 Celsius. Something like that, -3, -5. Just want to make sure the doors are closed. I'm gonna close the gate. Sun out, nice out though. Let's hit the road. Show you guys up here. Told you guys, if you guys saw past video, our GM dealership is renting this lot up here to put some of their cars. They have 2 extra lots, so you're not going to tell me they don't have a lot of cars sitting around. You guys are bringing Corvettes now. Couple of C8s. All right, let's head over and get the oil change in these two. Probably be about the same price what it cost for the other one. So 4 oil changes be over $1,000. Isn't that crazy? Crazy. It's so expensive here in our province. All right, let's go. Just want to show you guys the new bridge. They got it all done on King Street here. They did it in a record amount of time. Hopefully everything's going to be good. They're just finishing up now. The whole town is really happy that that's all been fixed up. We're just gonna head over to the garage, get the oil change in these trucks. That's the dealership you see across over there. That's the GM dealership here in town. They're the garage that have all the cars that are stored over by our shop. Pretty big dealership, but the amount of cars, a couple years ago they had no cars. You were paying crazy prices. And now they have so many cars, and the prices haven't gone down that much. Not for the amount of cars, because they have 2 lots on top of their car lot here of cars that are full. There must be like 200 to 250 in each lot. Over there, nice new bridge we just went over. The Ford dealership coming up over here has got the same thing going on too. They have full of inventory. sublots too that are full. All right, let's keep going. All right, we just got here. We're gonna do a couple of these. We're gonna do the 350, the box truck, and this boom van here. Gonna get the oil change in these two. So you got the guy down there taking care of business. You got the guy down underneath taking care of business on the other one. These diesel trucks are what takes a lot of oil. Crazy amount of oil. That's why it costs so much. I haven't done, like I said, they're around 300, 350 to have these trucks done. These ones here aren't as bad, 150, 170, something like that. But those diesel ones, that's what costs so much money. It's when you do those trucks there, that is so crazy. But it's part of having a business. You want to see, that's almost liquid gold there. See that oil leaking right there? Not leaking but coming out. That's like liquid gold. All right. So we'll head back over to shop, continue getting stuff done. See you guys at the next one. All right, so we just got the oil change in the other truck. It was a little bit cheaper, I guess. The two other trucks we did were cost 500 and something. I guess they changed some air filters. I don't know why, but I gave them the permit. I guess I said they could authorize it because we can do that on ourselves. We have our own mechanic there. Instead of just paying more for a filter, it all comes from the same place. We got the accounts too at those same places, CarQuest or Napa or stuff like that. All right, so this one was a bit cheaper. It was in the 400s. The other one was 530, I think. This one was a lot better. Still expensive though for oil changes here. And of course we put synthetic in all the trucks. I verified we did 8,000 kilometers, between 8,000 and 9,000 kilometers on the trucks last season. Well, this season, every season's the same. The only trucks that get less mileage is the dump truck, because we only use that once in a while when we're doing trees. So we don't use that all the time, every week. And the other truck's 8,000 to 9,000 kilometers, which is not bad. It's pretty good. I'm really happy with that. Not a crazy amount of mileage. Even the old 150. See the new 150, it's not new anymore because it's 4 years old. We've had it for 4 years. I think I'm at 50,000 kilometers, about 30,000 miles on it so far. All right, so that's done. We got a couple more trucks left to go. I don't think I'll have time to do those today. I'll see when I get to the shop. I know we're gonna be taking a box off a truck, I think, today to get it ready to put on the other truck. That's that truck we bought last week there, we went and got. If you guys see the video, we went and picked that up a little north of here. It was snow, so we didn't have no snow last week. We just got this week. Yeah, I just got this week. This a little, just to make things look nice. We're in the beginning of December, so it's going to be nice. Be nice to just have a little coating for the holidays. We haven't got the big amounts of snow like they got in the Northeast United States. Around the Great Lakes, they got a lot of snow. We didn't get any of that. We don't get that much. We get snow, but not crazy amounts like what they got all at once there. It's pretty rare for that to happen here. You know, don't forget we're in Canada, we're in the province of Quebec. We're in the southern Quebec. We're in the southmost part of the province of Quebec. Border of Vermont. The closest border here to the United States is Vermont. A little town called Derby Line. And we're not far from New Hampshire either. Vermont is the closest, but New Hampshire, you can be in New Hampshire in 45 minutes, an hour. Probably an hour from here. All right, just coming out of my Corvette, the one that's over by the shop. Picked up an air filter. $16. Cost me 16 bucks. I had the oil change in their trucks a little while ago. And they wanted to change them for me. They wanted $37 each. $37 each. I pay $16. That's a good way of saving 20 bucks. And there's two. So that's $40 saved right there. So if ever you guys can, you have a small business, you open up an account at these Corvette or Napa, or since you have a business, you just open up a business account with them. And if you don't want to charge stuff, you can just pay it as you go. You do whatever you want. But you see, just that, just those two items, they charge double what they cost. So if you're putting a lot of filters, because I know some of our trucks have very expensive filters, the 550s and the, I know the 550 has like a really expensive filter. I don't know about the 350s, but see, that was an Econoline and E350 diesel, two little filters on top. They wanted $36 each, and they cost 16. So you save 20 bucks each one. That's 40 bucks right there. It's better to have that 40 bucks in your pocket than in theirs. You got to try to save wherever you can, because everything is so expensive in the economy. We're not sure everything that's going on. If ever you want to be able to afford to pay for one of these, let me just stop to see. Let's just take a quick look, see how much these, what year they are and how much they are. Z06 Corvette Z06. Look at the tires on the back of that. What size are those tires? They're huge. 345 25 ZR21. Got some big stuff. Yellow stickers in the window. Oh, no pricing though. I was gonna say, let's look, see how much they're selling this for, but there's no pricing. Maybe some of the other cars have stickers on them. Here's another Z06. No pricing on this one either. Here's a regular Corvette. Any pricing on this one? Yeah, this one's gonna have a price. This might be a 2024 3LT 127. Look at the yellow seat belts with the yellow stitching. 127 for not even a Z06. Okay, here's another one with the gray. This one's gonna probably have a price in it. 117. It's a 2024. It's a 2LT. It's like $10,000 difference. Brand new. So you see they got the lot over there. If you guys didn't see there, this is their second sub lot. So a couple white ones, they got a gray one, and you got the yellow one. So two Z06s. Can't imagine how much they sell these. These must be a hefty price for these cars. Z06, look how dirty it is. All right, head back over to the shop. Shop is just up the street here, right where that big antenna is. Waxing up the truck. All right, so we'll put this filter in this van. So like I said, don't forget, you guys want to save a couple dollars. Try to get as much stuff, you know, you get these accounts with these little garages when you have a fleet of trucks, even if you just have one truck. If you can save $500 a year or $200 or $2,000. All right, so we brought TV down here. We got this TV. We're gonna put up on the wall up there. Our CSST here asked us, so we're gonna give some kind of a course at the beginning of the season next year on how to climb a ladder and step ladders. All right, we're gonna start heading out. Everything's going very well. Getting a little bit done every day. See you, Brian. All right, that's all locked up. We'll close the gate. Brian should probably put his car in here. So you never know, in this industrial park, stuff could happen. We haven't had any problems, but you don't want to run after the problems either. All right, so that's gonna be it. We're gonna call it a day. We're gonna head out. So you see we got a little bit of snow. Nothing like what they have in the Northeast United States. Or did you? I don't know if you people have seen that.
Real Ronnie come out. He gets a little fired up.
Oh, let me turn that off here.
You kind of
a little bit of Howard Stern. Yeah, I don't know if you guys have seen what was going on in the United States. Let me put the camera. Put my seatbelt on. Yeah, things are out of control over there for the snow. Like us, we don't have much. We got our first little snow pile there, but that's all from the neighbors. All right, you guys enjoy this. We'll see you guys next one. We got a few things done today. We'll get a few more done tomorrow. See you guys. Adios, amigos.